So these colors are mostly custom. We're doing a white with some satin enamel. This is a Deco Art 24K. It's kind of a nice cerulean blue. This is almost kind of a dark gray, and then turquoise. It's a dark, has a little bit of a plum color, and then this is copper. It's more of a phthalo blue, white. That is Folk Art Antique Copper. This is just a nice kind of brilliant orange, more Deco Art 24K gold. White. As you can see, the cups in the middle are filled with more paint than the ones going out to the edges because I'm doing a pour on a square canvas and I'm going to do a diagonal tilt. I don't know if there's a term for that, but that's what I'm doing. There's my daughter. Okay, here we go onto the canvas. And I'm starting with the cups with the higher fill in the middle, so I can get it out to the corners of the canvas when I tilt it. And that white is mixed with the Deco Art Satin Enamel White, which I've learned from other wonderful women to kind of get that nice fingering effect with the paint when you use that satin enamel in there. And I mix satin enamel into some of the different colors as well, but mostly just the white. I'm curious about getting some different colors of satin enamel. And the smaller cups I brought out to the corners, and then I'm just kind of using one of my last cups to go around the outside edge to make sure I have enough coverage. Okay, here we go. This is some leftover kind of gunmetal gray paint that I had scraped off the plastic from another painting. And I'm just kind of using it to cover the rest of the canvas to get better movement. The paint will move more smoothly across the canvas if it has a coat of paint on it. Here we go. Tilt off to one corner and off the other corner. At this point I was pretty happy with it. It's the blues and the oranges weren't quite what I expected together. But I like it. There's quite a bit off film that I did to this painting, so I'll definitely show you the final piece once it's dry and varnished. I've discovered using a nice little piece of plastic like that to work on the edges is really effective. You can kind of scrape up some of the drippings and lay them down the edge of the canvas. You get just a really nice fluid look when you do that. So that's kind of what I'm working on now. I love what the white did down on that right-hand corner, kind of interlaced with the blue and a little bit of gold. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. And a lot of cells pop up after the fact. When it's sitting, I torch it a little bit to get bubbles out. But yeah, overall pretty happy with this piece, and I'm excited to see how it looks dry. I hope you enjoy. There's a bit left, and then I'm going to do a close-up at the end. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks.